We'll guide you through how to fix a taskbar missing or having disappeared in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying as you're then unable to go and access the apps in it. So let's get started with how you can fix it. So what we need to do is go and open up Task Manager. To do that, there are a couple of different ways. One way can be by pressing Shift, Control and Escape on your keyboard, and it should then go and open. Alternatively, you can press Control, Alt and Delete. You'll get a list of options and you can select Task Manager and it will open. You can then click the search at the top and you want to go and type in Explorer. Go and find Windows Explorer and select it, and you can go to the top and press Restart Task. Everything will then go and refresh and the taskbar should then go and appear, as you can see. If it still doesn't, then what you'll need to do is go and do a restart on your computer. So you can press Control Alt Delete, and in the bottom right there's a power button you can click and press restart, or alternatively just hold down the physical button on your computer, whether that be a PC or laptop, until it goes and turns off, and you can then turn it on again. If you found this useful, then leave a like.